Hello po, ako po si Mai and welcome to Tagalog Beyond Basics. In today's lesson, we'll learn the key frequency words that you will use to describe your hobby in Tagalog. Ilarawan mo ang iyong libangan. Describe your hobby. This is one of the tasks you are likely to perform in your Tagalog oral proficiency interview. What it is, how you do it, and how often you do it. In this lesson, we will focus on the key frequency words, the words you use to describe how often you do your hobby. Gaano mo kadalas ginagawa ang iyong libangan? How often do you do your hobby? This is a question that often appears in your Tagalog OPI, so it's important to learn how to answer it clearly and naturally by mastering the key frequency words and using simple but confident sentence patterns. Now, we will divide these key frequency words into three sections. Number one, the basic frequency words. Number two, the routine based frequency words. And number three, the number based frequency words. Magsimula na po tayo. Let's start with the basic frequency words. Palagi, always. Palagi kong ginagawa ang libangan ko kapag gusto kong mag-relax. I always do my hobby when I want to relax. Madalas, often. Madalas ko itong ginagawa tuwing may libreng oras ako. I often do it whenever I have free time. Minsan, sometimes. Minsan, ginagawa ko ang libangan ko tuwing linggo. Sometimes I do my hobby on weekends. Paminsan-minsan, occasionally. Paminsan-minsan, naglalaan ako ng isang buong araw para sa libangan ko. Occasionally, I set aside a whole day for my hobby. Bihira, rarely. Bihira ko itong gawin kapag sobrang abala ako. I rarely do it when I'm very busy. Halos hindi. Almost never. Halos hindi ko nagagawa ang libangan ko kapag pagod ako. I almost never do my hobby when I'm tired. Now, let's move on to the routine-based frequency words. Tuwing umaga, every morning. Tuwing umaga, nag-e-ensayo ako para sa libangan ko. Every morning, I practice my hobby. Tuwing hapon, every afternoon. Tuwing hapon, naglalaan ako ng kaunting oras para sa libangan ko. Every afternoon, I set aside a little time for my hobby. Tuwing gabi, every night. Tuwing gabi, ginagawa ko ang libangan ko para mag-relax. Every night, I do my hobby to relax. Tuwing linggo, every weekend. Tuwing linggo, mas matagal kong ginagawa ang libangan ko. Every weekend, I spend more time doing my hobby. Tuwing Sabado, every Saturday. Tuwing linggo, every Sunday. Now, don't get confused with the usage of linggo here. In Tagalog, the word linggo could mean two different things depending on how it's written. Linggo with capital L means Sunday, and linggo with lowercase l means week or weekend. Tuwing Sabado, nag-e-ensayo ako ng mas seryoso. Every Saturday, I practice more seriously. Now, let's move on to the number-based frequency words. Isang beses sa isang araw. Once a day. Isang beses sa isang araw, naglalaan ako ng oras para sa libangan ko. Once a day, I make time for my hobby. Dalawang beses sa isang buwan. Twice a month. Dalawang beses sa isang buwan, pumupunta ako sa ilog para mangisda. Twice a month, I go to the river to fish. Tuwing 2 linggo. Every 2 weeks. Tuwing 2 linggo, sinusubukan ko ang bagong estilo sa libangan ko. Every 2 weeks, I try a new style in my hobby. So, these are the most common key frequency words you can use when you are describing how often you do your hobby. You can familiarize and use these words so your narration will flow naturally and you will sound more fluent so you can achieve the higher proficiency rating you are aiming for. And that's it for today. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo sa susunod ha. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Mahal ko po kayo. Paalam.